Hey guys, this is another year 11 question that I've seen a lot of students struggle with, and it's show that the function which is given below is an even function. So how do we start all of our even function questions? So what I want all students to do is write out what they want to show. So we are required to prove that f of minus x is equal to f of x, and I've written out what f of x is below. So this is a common starting point that I want all students to do. What it is it gives us a reference point for our working out as we go along. So f of minus x we can rewrite as minus x ln the square root of x squared plus 1 minus x, given that the square root of the square of minus x is just x squared, minus the square root of x squared plus 1. So what I want to do, and I want all students to do, is compare as you go. I want to eventually get to this line above, and I want to see what's different, what's the same. If it's the same, don't touch it. As we notice, we can see that this second square root is the same in what we're required to prove and what we have in our working out already. So we leave it. What is different is this negative out the front and this negative here. So now, how do we deal with that? Well, what I want you to do is move and get rid of that negative. Well, one way we could do that is bring the negative to the inside of our logarithm. What that would do is make our logarithm a reciprocal, and it would get 1 over the square root of x squared plus 1 minus x, like this. And still, we have our square root of x squared plus 1 on the side. Now, what we notice is that the outside of our logarithm is identical to what we need now, so we don't touch it once more. What we want to do is manipulate the inside of our logarithm to get to what we need. As we notice that we want the square root of x squared plus 1 plus x instead of minus x, and that's all going to be on 1. That's another way we can think about it. So instead, what I'm going to do to our logarithm is multiply top and bottom by the square root of x squared plus 1 plus x. What that's going to do is force the difference of two squares, and we still have our minus x squared plus 1. Now, by forcing our difference of two squares, our denominator does something quite special. It cleans up, so to be x squared plus 1 minus x squared. Cleaning that up even further, we would get the square root of x squared plus 1 plus x all over 1 minus square root of x squared plus 1, which is exactly f of x that we were trying to find. If you want help with more odd and even function type questions, feel free to give us a follow.